Aloha, my name is Ian and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, a couple of days ago I received a package and I'm pretty sure you know what's inside, so let's go ahead and open it together. This is the unboxing of the DJI Spark Flymar Combo. So this is the package. I actually ordered this at the official website of the DJI store. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it. This is actually the first drone that I will be having. And then this is the packaging. This is the packaging. It's so this is it. This is it. Manuals. There's a lot of things to read and I have to read all of those because this is my first drone. I don't have any idea of flying it. Let's open it first para makita natin yung drone. So this is the drone. Oh man. There you go. That's the drone. It has batteries, extra battery right here, and then these are extra propellers. This one and this one are extra propellers. So this is I can see the remote. This one I'm pretty much excited about it kasi oh, it's nice. This is the remote. What else do we have? I see on charge. This is for charging, I think. Tingnan natin lahat. This is extra. Oh, no, this is the propeller guards. I will be needing those two kasi careless ako sometimes. Ayaw natin masaktan tayo. And then charging cable. That's it. I think that's it. That's it for the bag. Meron pa siyang zipper in front. So let's go ahead and open it. Ayan, may charging dock for 3 batteries, maximum of 3 batteries, and the OTG cable. So yeah, that's it.